Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to write a professional LinkedIn summary in 2026. A strong LinkedIn summary helps recruiters, clients, and employers understand who you are, what you do, and why they should connect with you. First, open LinkedIn on your computer or mobile device and sign in to your account. Click on your profile picture, then open your profile page. Scroll down until you find the About section. If you already have a summary, click the pencil icon to edit it. If it's empty, click Add About. Start with a short introduction about yourself. Mention your current role, profession, or area of expertise. Then explain your experience, key skills, and what you're passionate about. Highlight your biggest achievements using simple and clear language. Avoid copying someone else's summary or using too many buzzwords. Next, describe what kind of opportunities you're looking for. Whether you're seeking a new job, freelance work, networking, or business partnerships, mention it naturally. You can also include important keywords related to your industry so your profile appears in more LinkedIn searches. Keep your summary professional, easy to read, and around 3 to 5 short paragraphs. Before saving, check for spelling and grammar mistakes. Once you're happy with your summary, click Save. Your updated About section will now appear on your LinkedIn profile. A well-written LinkedIn summary makes your profile more attractive and increases your chances of getting noticed by recruiters and professionals. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more LinkedIn tutorials. Thanks for watching.